Hi, welcome to the Essence of Clarity. My name is Sabina Straver, and today I'm talking about a fun topic, which is getting organized for your holidays. And with that, I don't mean packing and all that. Maybe that's something for another day, but I'm basically talking about looking ahead and deciding when you'll have a holiday, where you'll go, and for how long. And the way to do this is basically to look at a yearly calendar and to break it down. So if you have children, you basically plot the school holidays in there. If you are separated, then you basically plot when you have the children. And if there is a certain basically influx or busy time or quiet time at your work, you also take that into consideration, as well as basically the key public holidays. So you look at all those different layers, and then you can basically have a good overview of what your year, the next 18 months looks like, and then you can start plotting your holidays. I'm going to take you on the computer with me and we'll see how that works in practice.
I like to use timeanddate.com. It's easy, it's simple, and you can play around with it. You can basically state what type of formatting you want, the options, the year. I've just chosen a very simple calendar for the year 2019, and then automatically it even gives you the public holiday. So really straight. Okay, so what I've done is I basically copied this material from the website and in a Word document just to show you what you can do. You can also print it out and use a few colored highlighters. So here I'm going to first look at school holidays because that means that I know roughly what the year is going to look like. And I'm just going to have a guess here, roughly in April, the school holidays. Of course, when I would do this seriously, I would check the dates and I'm going to make them yellow. All of them. Then I'm going to have a look at December. Kids' holiday starts at least on the 22nd, and that's also when a lot of people basically stop with work. So that time is off. In December, I know that I tend to be quite over it. I don't really like December as much because it's hot, sweaty, people are tired of the year, they are cranky, and I would really like to get away on the 22nd to the 24th normally, or even the 25th. And my husband and I tend to go away on those dates before the children come back and visit us on Christmas Day. Then I can also have a look. So say we're now in January of the next year. Okay, so I look at some other holidays. July is in the middle of winter, and I know that do I want to have a break at this time? Yes or no? If we do, then I can kind of look at the school holidays, look at when the children are with us, and pinpoint what type of holiday we want to do. So let's pretend we're in the next year with January, and January is a relatively messy month because there's so many public holidays, people are still on leave, kids are still off from school. So this allows me to kind of plan ahead and go, would we like to go away once or twice or for a couple of weeks? And where to. So it's really useful to have a bird's eye view of the year ahead, what's coming up, and when you would like to go away. Now, once you decided the dates, you can kind of click them and change them in a different color and say, these are the dates I'm seriously looking at for a particular holiday, and then you give these details to your travel agent and you're ready to go to get inspired by whatever they have on offer.
So hopefully that gave you some inspiration and some insight into how you can put in a bit of effort but then really reap the benefits. So one of the things that I read often is habits, basically sustainable peak performance. And a lot of the authors and the specialists in that field say you need to book your holidays. So what I do is I look ahead and I book 1 or 2 holidays ahead with this system. So it doesn't matter if I have a really tough day, a tough couple of weeks, I know that my next holiday is around the corner, whether that be just around the corner or have to wait a little bit longer. So there is a sense of excitement, which is also really good for your health and your well-being. Just the anticipation that you're going to take a break from the things that you normally do. So basically a video to show you that organizing and decluttering doesn't have to be basically the straight and narrow. It can be heaps of fun, it can be inspiring, it can be basically the framework that supports your life. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I basically come up with a whole range of videos to give you ideas, inspiration, or practical advice in terms of how you can declutter and how you can become more organized. I'm here to help you on your journey towards organized living. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.